Hi there, good morning, and welcome to my official YouTube channel. I'm Kamran, your host, and before starting this video, I would like to tell you that today's lesson is being recorded for my linguistics students. So, in the previous class, I told you about consonants and how can we classify consonants. But in today's video, my focus will be on the vowel sounds and how can we classify vowel sounds. So my dear students, get ready to understand about vowel sound. First of all, let me tell you that how can we define vowel sounds. So vowel sounds are those sounds which are produced or which are uttered without any hindrance, without any obstruction, without any stoppage in the oral cavity. So we can produce them freely without any sort of, you can say, blockage in the oral cavity. So this is a short definition for the vowel sound. So as far as their classification is concerned, let me tell you. So we can classify vowel sounds into two broad categories. Number one, they are monophthongs. Number two, they are diphthongs. Again, number one, they are monophthongs. Number two, they are diphthongs. How can we differentiate between monophthongs and diphthongs? Monophthongs are single sound vowels. Monophthongs are single sound vowels. Diphthongs are two sound vowel. They are also called as gliding vowels. They are also called as gliding vowels. It means that one sound glides towards the other sound. Or in other words, we can say that when we put two vowel sounds together adjacent to each other, so they will form a diphthong. So I will be talking about the diphthongs later on, but first of all, let me tell you about monophthongs. So dear, if you see that monophthongs, so yes. So if we have to divide monophthongs, so monophthongs can be divided into two broad categories. What are these categories? Short vowels, and then we have long vowels. So we have short vowels and we have long vowels. And how can we differentiate between these two categories of monophthongs, short vowels and long vowels? Dear students, let me start from the first vowel sound, a short vowel, this one. So this is E sound. This is E sound. As we can use this vowel in sit. E, here you can see sit. E. So the longer version of this sound will be with two dots. Whenever there are two dots, they identify the long vowel. So if there are two dots, so this will be the longer version. This was E sound, this will be E sound, little bit longer. For example, as in C, we can use this one. Okay, similarly, there is another sound, for example this one. So this is another vowel, this is a short vowel. So what is this sound? For example, in cat. So this is a sound, this is a sound, as in cat. Similarly, the longer version for this sound will be with dots, and it will be this is a, this is a. For example, in the word cart, in the word cart, so if we write its phonetic transcription, so we can write it like that, art. So it will be cart. Similarly, my dear students, there is another sound, this one. This is a short vowel. This is oo sound. For example, in the word put, in the word put, this sound is here in the word put. So we can say that put. The longer version of this sound will be here like this with two dots, and you will see that oo sound. This is oo sound, this is oo sound. For example, you can use it in tool. For example, if you will write it like that, so it will be like that. The phonetic transcription will be like that. So we will write tool. Similarly, my dear students, we are moving towards another sound. So before moving to that sound, let me tell you, this is E, this is E, this is A, this is A, this is U, this is U, the longer version. Similarly, there is another vowel, short vowel, that is like this. This is called as the cut sound because it's a short one. For example, in the word cut itself, so we can use this one here. So this is cut, a short sound. And similarly, here we have another sound, this one. this is O sound. For example, pot. For example, pot. So here we can use this O sound, pot. So here we can use this sound. This is not a long vowel, by the way. So anyway, I'm just for the sake of description, I'm writing it here. So this is O sound. Similarly, my dear students, if we'll come towards here, there is another short vowel, that is R. A slight R sound, as we can use it in bird. We can use it in bird. So it will be here, bird. Understand? And similarly, we can use another vowel here. This is a short sound. The most frequent sound in English language is this short sound, I'm telling you. So for example, we can use this sound in about. So this will be here in the beginning, like that, about. Okay, understand? So we can use this sound in the beginning, or like ago. We can use this short sound. Then we will be moving towards another sound, and that sound will be a sound. For example, in the word